Dito. Oh my gosh. Grabe yung... Sobrang oily ng buhok ko agad. What is happening? Wait. Hello! Hello? Hello, Habe. Korean accent? Huh? Huh? Hello, Mojo. Woo! Grabe ang pagod. Hello, Onit. Hello, Renji. Umalis na si Sai. Wala po si Sai ngayon. Sir, nakita kita kahapon sa may si Maura. Kasama mo at the mother mo. Yes, I was with my mother. And father. Hi, Zachary. Mukhang pagoda po. Yan, kakatapos lang kasi namin mag-shoot ng 3 hours. Grabe. Kailan po i-upload? Edit muna. Matagal pa. Oo, 3 hours kami nag-shoot. Oh my God. Akala ko, sa totoo lang akala ko, hi Migs, chingu kape. Get well. Akala ko kasi it was gonna be like 1 hour worth of shoot kasi nga akala ko hindi masyadong mag-share si Sai, tsaka I felt like, you know, he's an open book, so there's nothing much, sorry for the term, but nothing much new and interesting to talk about. Pero ang dami niyang na-reveal sa live ko, sa content. Magugulat kayo. Magugulat talaga kayo. Abangan nyo sa YouTube channel ko, please. Kaya naging 3 hours, promise. Kahit tanungin nyo pa si Kevin dito. Hindi namin inakala na ganun ang magiging start ng intro namin. As in, bigat. Tapos, ang galing-galing ni Sai. First time niya daw mag-talk show, yung podcast talaga. Kasi, usually, ang mga content niya is very like, hi guys, day in a life, yung mga ganun. It was so good. So, feeling ko magiging 2 episodes to. No, Kevin, no? Dapat 2 episodes, no? Hindi kaya eh.
Yung footage parang nasa 2 hours and 40 or 30.
Oh my God. So if ever maging 1 episode, maging 2 hours yan, no? Or more?
Siguro ano?
Nakakaiyak po ba? Sa totoo lang nakakaiyak pero hindi siya umiiyak.
Oh.
Sa totoo lang. Ay, akala ko, di ba kasi guys, we know yung story ni Perlas. Tapos alam ko din yung story ni Dada. Oh my God. Sai's stories super bigat din. As in, feeling ko mas mabigat yung kay Sai. Kailan podcast nyo ni QD? Feeling ko yung kay QD, kailangan bumili muna ako ng sofa. Asan po sila Perlas? Nasa kaliwang dede flip ko dito. Malay ko ba? Hinahanap nyo dito si... Umuwi na ba si Sai? No, yes, Sai went to Ate Riva's place. Ate niya, hindi ko ate. Hindi ko naman siya, kaya nga baka mamaya mas bata pa siya sa akin. No, I'm not gonna upload it next week. Matagal pa. Feeling ko, matagal pa. Yeah, matagal pa. Sorry guys, abangan nyo. Wala kayong choice. It takes long time to edit.
Come here.
Hindi mo kasi ito pinapakain.
Bibigyan ko na nga siya.
Nabigyan ko na siya.
Ay, pinakain mo na siya?
Oh, pero hindi pa niya nagagalaw.
See, di mo naman pinakain pagkain mo?
Sana yung dalawa podcast na more horror stories in the future. Tapos, I think, yun nga, so, na-message ko na yung Vrix Chan and Nicholas for their schedule para sa Valentine's edition. So, ayun, yan, antayin ko muna. No. Wala pong Queen Sai episode. Guys, Valentine's is literally in what? Like 14 days. I don't have time to shoot and edit each love team. So, nandun na ako kung sino pinaka madaling kausap, pinaka-available po ng sked, at pinaka-reliable po. Ooh, Feb Ibig. Pero guys, thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much po for the support kasi and with Sai Seekers, don't worry, this will not be our last. I told Sai, mag-collab at collab pa rin tayo Sabi niya, yes, Muting, sure. Hindi ko alam kung maalala niya. Kamusta po podcast with Sai? It was good! It was good. Ito no offense kay no offense kay Perlas and Bricks, pero para sa akin it was the best. It was by far the best episode. Nagulat ako. Ang dami niyang na-share, na kwento na hindi pa na-share. Sa totoo lang, nakakaiyak yung story niya. Hindi ko alam kung paano, like, how can he... I don't know. After you guys hear his podcast, itong episode na to, if you guys are not a follower of Sai, feeling ko mafa-follow nyo siya. And if you guys are already a follower of Sai, mamahalin mo siya even more. Promise. And of course, we have an exclusive episode also for my TikTok subscribers and YouTube membership subscribers, yung paid subscription po. We shot a separate content for that. Medyo maka. Hindi ko masabi sa BF ko na amoy Erna yung hininga. What should I do? Amoy Erna ang hininga ng... BF mo na yan, tapos hindi mo pa kaya sabihin, amoy tae yung bibig niya. Bakit mo po siya naging BF? Hindi pa ako makasub sa'yo, dami kong babae. Yes, it's okay, Rosie. Hindi naman niya mawawala eh. But I just feel like, you know, kasi guys, syempre, ang dami kong gasto sa mga ano. Kailangan kong bumawi. Sa totoo lang guys, nahihiya nga ako kay Sai kanina. Bibilan ko talaga yan ng steak in the future. Sabi ko sa kanya, Sai, do you want any food? Sabi ko sa kanya, what's your Starbucks drink? And is there any food you want? Steak? I mean... Steak? Ano po yung asawa in Korea? Yobo? Asawa? Wolfgang? Hindi ko alam. Pero kahit TGIF, wala akong pera na pang 3K. 2K, tapos isang isang rib eye lang. Dadating tayo dyan, guys, ha? I really wish, you know, that day will come. Arigato gozaimasu. Arigato gozaimasu. Oh, so tired. This is my gagawin pa ako. Guys, tsaka I'm gonna do a give back tonight. Sorry guys, I was working. Guys, ang dami. May mga nagsasabi na ano daw ako sa VP Choice Awards. Di ko makita. Whatever. Guys, I received a gift. Ay, para kay Mama B. Wala na si Mama B. Oh, this is for my mom. Ay, hindi ko siya pwede i-open. Kaya galing kaya Ate Harvey. Oops. Nominated po. Saan po? Hindi ko makita yung pangalan ko eh. Saan yan nakikita? Oh. Social naman ang packaging. Tobo 1. Waffle. I got gifts. Hi, Matcha. Thank you. I hope this letter brings smile to your face. Aw, cute. From Jamie. Cute naman ang mga sticker. VPCS Choice Award, Kuya Jinho, sa Blue Up. Yes po, nahanap ko po. Pero ang ibig ko pong sabihin, di ko mahanap yung category ko. Yung, sana ko, YouTuber of the... Ganun ba? First of all, happy birthday, sweetheart. I'm so glad to know you and appreciate you even more each day. Secondly, I'm Jamie. Honestly, it's my first time sending a gift as a fan. I hope you somehow like it, though it's very spontaneous. To having a very busy schedule. I'll do better next time, I promise. I wish you'll be receive an abundant blessing this year. I would love to meet you soon. Whenever you go live, I love how you connect and bond with everyone. Yung shala naman ng stickers niya. Gusto ko siyang... Such a unique personality that captures my heart. I'd love to yap so much more, but I'll have to do that on my next letters. Always remember that you are... Aww, sarangin kayo. Thank you, Jamie, if you're watching. Busta Podcast. Hi, AJ! Hello, Queen. Is Jamie here? Natanggap ko na yung letter mo, Jamie. Akala ko the dog show mo podcast nyo with... Ano? Sorry? Hello, Aruna. Thank you for the rose. Akala ko Madodog show yung podcast nyo ni Sai. Ano pong the dog show? I mean, meron kaming dog show, pero what I mean is, it was very... What the fuck did I just see? Imagine po. Bakit nyo sa akin sinento? Imagine po. Ngayon ko lang to na-unbox, nagulat ako. Hindi ko alam kung matutuwa. Thank you. May mixed emotion ako. Puta. Galing pa to sa isang taon. Bawal daw magalit. Anong klaseng gift to? Ngayon lang ako nakatanggap ng gift na hindi nagustuhan, pero sumama yung loob ko. Fuck. No. Yung mahal na gumastos ka pa para mainsulto ako. Napagastos ka para lang mainsulto ako. Ang ganda oh. Mahal pa naman yung mga ganito, di ba? How much ba yan? Di ko alam kasi di ko na... Parang ayoko siyang... At least ano? Alam mo, hindi nga ako mahilig sa figure kaya ako nga binenta yung Hirono ko tapos makakatanggap ako ng ganito. Hindi siya cookie. Ah! Ha? Ano to? Ah! Kala ko cookie. Ba't ayaw kumasya? Ba't dalawa yung mukha niya? Nominated sina, yes. Tangina naman. Tangina naman. Sino nagregalo nito? Sino nagregalo nito? Walang nakalagay na pangalan eh. Nag-live pa ako para mag-unbox. Nandidila pa to. Grabe, may iba't ibang version pa siya ng face. Yung totoo, ba't ka gumastos? Tawang-tawa kayo. Nag-effort siya. Dumatawa. Anong same? Layo kaya. Yung Facebook market ko to, buisit ka. Minsan lang ako nakakatanggap ng regalo. Sana happy kayo. Mga buwisit. Tigilan nyo yun sa Majin Hu. Happy family. Okay, tabi muna natin to kasi mukhang hindi titigil ang Majin Hu na yan hanggat di nyo makita ang Majin Buu rat. Yes. Tawang-tawa kayo? Tawang-tawa. Kamusta podcast with Sai? It was good. Thank you for the gift, JCLMNOP. Soccer cute, soccer. Di ba siya na late? 1 PM call time, 3 PM dumating. Di ba sinabi ko sa inyo? Pero okay lang yan. Hindi nga clear skin. Ang laki ng tigyawat ko dito. Sobra. Ano? Sino naka-SS ng Happy? Happy birthday! Di ko birthday! Bakit ka ba mahal kita? Kahit di pinapansin ang damdamin ko. Guys, thank you so much sa pag-support sa podcast ko. Ano, happy birthday? Di ko birthday! Kakatumanda ko lang tangina, tapos bibigyan nyo na naman ako ng birthday! Tama na! One year at a year. Maawa naman kayo sa akin. Acidic na naman ako. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, you. Happy birthday to you. Sorry guys, wait. Mag-give back tayo. Pag nag-iwan... Pero pagod ako mga ano eh. Sige, wait lang. Ganito na lang. Sa lahat ng mag-comment sa i-upload kong Instagram, I'm gonna give back lip. Ano yun? Visit tong Majin Buu na to. Diyan ka muna. Sa mata. What country are you? I'm not a country. I'm a human. Jinbab! Napagod ako.
Get 1,500 cashback for a minimum purchase of 7,500 worth of product at Foot Locker stores from January 29 to February 2.
I'm gonna upload this, huh? Wala, baka sakali gusto nyo i-comment, gusto nyo akong pakita ng supports. So, naman po. What's your favorite Hoka? They have it all. podcast ko. Sorry guys ha, wait lang. Hindi na mamansin. Kailangan ko lang to i-upload. Kapag ako'y nagmamahal. Bakit nga ba mahal kita? Kahit di pinapansin ang damdamin ko, di mo man ako mahal, ito pa rin ako nagmamahal ng tapat sa'yo. Bakit nga ba mahal kita? Kahit na may mahal ka ng iba, ba't baliw na baliw ako sa'yo? Hanggang kailan ako magtitiis? O bakit nga ba mahal? Nakasidik ako. Anong ina-upload mo? My new rubber shoe video. Guys, mag-comment kayo, ha? Please. Guys. Please. Please. I will leave my heart at the door. Alam nyo guys, kanina tinuturuan ako ni Sai paano mag-thirst trap content. Parang ganun siya oh. Parang may kumain na maaga. Ganun si Sai. Ganun daw sabi ni Sai. Bakit sa'yo parang iba? Uy, pareho lang. Wala nga masyadong kaiba eh. If you guys please go to my Instagram, and then if you leave a comment down below, you get a chance to win. I'll send you guys this. What do you guys want? Lip balm or lip tint? Hala kuya, ikaw pala yung nasa Showtime dati. Nakita ko ulit sa TikTok kanina yung search ko segment dati. Isa lang ang mahal-mahal nito. Guys. Bomb. We going for bomb first. Hindi pa na-post sa Instagram. Pag na-post, pwede paki-heart po, tas pa-save yung video. Yung alam yung save button sa IG. Pa-save button po yung IG post, and then please comment anything. anything. Yung maayos. Hindi pala pwede anything. Yung ano, basta, ano ba tawag doon? Yung mabubuti, wag naman yung Majin, yung hala! Tsaka dito din sa ano. Tapos, sa kasunod kang live, Mika, ready na ba laptop mo? Pasulat. Please. Sa IG Bakit ang tagal mo po sa IG? Pero mahal din ng 350 ko ata nabili to. Yeah, 350. A sunscreen for the lips that leaves a sheer wash of color and a whole lot of protection. How to use. Ayun na guys, na-post na. Don't forget to follow me, guys. Ayan sinabi ko siguro after, mga 9 PM, ituloy natin yung giveaway. Sa 9 PM tayo magpili. Pumili ng winner. Pag wala kayo dito ng 9 PM, wala na. Please, leave any comment for me po. Sa latest IG post. And don't forget to bakit naka-hide lahat ng comment nyo? Follow nyo ako guys Thank you po. Ito, pag napindot nyo itong save, ito. Hindi ko lang nakikita nyo. Nakakatulong daw yun sa algorithm Ito yung save button, diba? Punta kayo sa reel. Tapos pindutin nyo itong 3 dots, tapos i-save nyo ganun. Save. Yun. Na-story ko. Ano pa yan? Sobrang bait naman. Thank you. Sa itong maliwanag. Thank you po! "9 PM 9 PM. Buisit, may nag-comment ng anything. Ay, nawala. Ang pogi naman nung namimili ng shoes. Gusto ko yan! Thank you guys. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to 9 PM guys, 9 PM. Pero guys, pwede pa din dito sa TikTok. Pwede pa like din. At pa repost. Baka naman guys. Please guys, tulungan nyo tumaas yung engagement ko. Lagi na lang ako nasa shadow ban dito. View, si Renji sobrang bait. Foot Locker po. Foot Locker yung sapatos. Pero guys, real talk, yung Foot Locker, hindi lang dahil na-collab ko sila, Pero dun din ako bumibili ng sapatos. Because if you guys didn't know, Foot Locker is from Korea. It's a Korean brand, Foot Locker. And in Korea kasi, meron din yung mga Adidas, Nike, yung mga stand-alone na stores. Pero in Korea, mas uso yung ABC Mart, yun yung competitor ng Foot Locker. Pero ako Foot Locker ako kasi mas bago siya. ABC Mart sobrang luma na yan eh. So, what Koreans do is, dun sila pumupunta para mag-shop ng mga limited item na shoes. And the reason why I like Foot Locker is, minsan may pumapasok na, like, you know how there are shoes sa Korea, na, let's say, for example, guys, let's say New Balance na 2000R, 2002R. Foot Locker has a special edition na sa Foot Locker lang available, pero New Balance siya. Parang ganun. So marami silang limited edition na usually available sa Korean Foot Locker lang. Korea Foot Locker. Like different colorway, unique color, ganun. So I'm not trying to sell it to you guys. It's really up to you, but the price is affordable. It's wala silang patong. So that's why I like shopping in mga ganun na store, retail stores din, ganun, official basta original. Hala, daming nagko-comment. Thank you guys. You can never go wrong with Hoka and Nike. Yes. Zachary, ito pala yung IG mo Okay. Rob man. Mine po yung naka-block. Yours! Sabi ni YKAI. Thank you guys for the support. Guys, thank you so much. I will give back. Promise. Hinantay ko na lang yung mga bayad sa akin talaga. Gusto ko talaga. Ano kaya masayang event na pwede natin gawin? Like, with you guys? Maliban sa, lang. Gusto ko maglaro tayo eh. Mahilig ako magpa-games, ganun. Outreach? Paano yan? Paano mag-organize ng outreach? Grabe yung pagod ko. Grabe yung sipag ko. Paano yung outreach? Oh, excited ako mag-jogging. Team building? Ang laki naman ng budget ko. Team building? May team ba ako dito? May team pala tayo dito. Gamitin mo kami. Oo nga, dapat dapat may team babies. Babies. It's babies. It should be because it's Chinhope. Guys, I wanna sing for you guys but my internet is not interneting right now. Ayaw mo play yung -1. Ayaw ba play? Guys, 9 PM ha, 9 PM. Sa mga nag-comment po, 9 PM. Guys, please din outreach program sa mga kuya, like bahay, ampunan or something. Kaya nga, paano yun? Ano sasabihin ko? Hindi ko... Oo, Team Babis! Wait, I wanna sing! Oh, bakit ito pwede? 날이 좋아서. 날이 좋지 않아서. 차. Thank you, Engineer Walde. Isa pa. It's beautiful life. 난 너의 곁에 있을게. It's beautiful life. 너의 뒤에서 있을게. Beautiful life. 하늘 아래 너와 있다면 숨 쉬는 것만으로도 좋아. It's beautiful life, beautiful day. 너의 기억에서 내가 살 텐데. Beautiful life, beautiful day. 너를 잃고 싶지 않아. Beautiful, my love. Bluetooth hairbrush. It's beautiful life. It's beautiful life. It's beautiful life. 언제나 널 지켜줄게. It's beautiful life. 내게 기댈 수가 있게. Oh, beautiful life. 너의 미소도 곁에서 함께 할 수 있도록. It's beautiful life, beautiful day. 미치도록 날 사랑했었던 날. Beautiful life, beautiful day. 너를 잃고 싶지 않아. It's beautiful, my love. Pause na pause ako kakadaldal ng 3 hours sa podcast. It's beautiful life. 세상에 너와 닮은 추억이 또 덩그런 내게 남겨져 있어. 너와의 기억, 너와의 추억. It's sorrowful life, it's sorrowful day. 슬픔을 이기지 못하던 내게. Sorrowful life, sorrowful day. 내 곁에서 떠나지만 추억 속에 내가 살지 않도록. It's beautiful life.
Kantahin mo nga yung Christmas Tree by B.
Hindi ko alam. Tas ng Christmas.
Basta maganda yun, hindi naman yung ibig sabihin.
Ba't ka nandito?
Masama.
Kimi, maghanap ka ng mga hate comments ko sa... Can you tell MJ? Pa-screenshot lahat ng hate comments sa Facebook. Sa podcast namin ni Mark.
Mag-flash na lang po.
Sabi mo ka MJ, tas ikaw din. Kasi bukas guys, bala ko mag-podcast kasama si Mark. Tapos, ang content namin is, isasagot na namin lahat ng mga hate comments. Grabe, nakasidik na ako. I found a love for me. Dun sa podcast contents lang. Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. Kaloy, ikaw, pwede ka bukas? I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms. Okay, Kaloy. Barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you look a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Huh? Pwede kumanta. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a lover to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand, be my girl, I'll be your man. I see my future in your eyes, baby. I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms. Kuya Sid! Barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Thank you, Hershey. Thank you, Mosa Yeri. Thank you, Kate. Thank you, Zachary. Kuya Seb, sama ka po bukas. Baby, I am dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I have met an angel in person. She looks perfect. Our days are days now. You look perfect tonight. Sorry. Hindi, kasi may podcast ulit ako bukas kasama si Mark. Inaayos ko. All the times that you rain on my parade, all the clubs you get in using my name. Think you broke my heart, oh girl, for goodness sake. Think I'm crying on my own, well I ain't. And I didn't wanna write a song, cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care, I don't. But you still lit my phone up, and baby I've been moving on. And I think you should be something I don't wanna hold back. Maybe you should know that my mama don't like you, she likes everyone. And I never like to admit that I was wrong. I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on. And now I know I'm better sleeping on my own. Cause if you like the way you look that much, oh baby you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. When you told me that you hated my friends, the only problem was with you and not them. And every time you told me my opinion was wrong, and tried to make me forget where I came from. And I didn't wanna write a song, cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care, I don't. But you still lit my phone up, baby I've been moving on. And I think you should be something I don't wanna hold back. Maybe you should know that my mama don't like you, she likes everyone. And I never like to admit that I was wrong. I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on. And now I know I'm better sleeping on my own. Cause if you like the way you look that much, oh baby you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. Da 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 Zachary, kailan tayo jogging? Wait. May na naman si Zachary. TikTok mo kayo. Thank you, Zachary. Thank you, Evans. 나와 함께야. 옹아, please stop the screen. 상상하는 게 요즘 내 일상이 되고 너의 즐거워하는 모습을. Oh my God, acid. 너의 행복에 설레어 하고 뒤척이다가 지새운 밤이 많아지는데 Paano ulit? 이건 누가 봐도 사랑일 건데 종일 함께면 질릴 텐데 난 돌아서도 온통 너인걸 아무래도 사랑인가 봐. Thank you, Don JR. Sayo. Kumain naman na ako. Yung gamot talaga, last gamot ko na yan. Tapos na. Ako mag-dinner lahat. 점점 너와 하고 싶은 일들 생각하면서 제 눈보는 많아지는데 이건 누가 봐도 사랑일 텐데 종일 함께면 질릴 텐데 나 돌아서도 온통 너인걸 아무래도 사랑인가 봐. Yes. 모습을 보고 있으면 나도 모르게 따라 웃는데 이 정도면 알아줄만 하잖아. 너도 용기 낼만 하잖아. 나만 이런 게 아니라면 울만 하잖아. Oh my God, nasusuka. Wala pang 9? Guys, mag-giveaway tayo. Ay, mag-give back po tayo. Magko-comment lang po kayo sa pinakabago kong reel sa IG po. And I'm gonna give away. You know, I'm just gonna give away these two. I'm gonna pick 2 winners. Mika, are you writing down? Sorry, Mika. Sabi nila, balang araw darating ang iyong... Nawala internet ko. Tanging hinihiling. At nung dumating ang aking panalangin ay hindi na maikupli ang pag-asang nahanap ko sa iyong mga mata at ang takot kung sakali man ika'y mawawala. At ngayon, nandyan ka na, di mapaliwanag ang nadarama. Handa ako sa walang hanggan, di paasahin, hindi ka sasaktan. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, ikaw at ako. Wish 107.5. At sa wakas ay nahanap ko na rin ang aking tanging hinihiling. Pangako sa'yo na ika'y uunahin at hindi na itatanggi. Spy. Bring the beat in. I can see the stars all the way from here. Can't you see the glow on my window pane? I can feel the sun whenever you're near. Every time you touch me, I just melt away. Everybody's asking why I'm smiling out from ear to ear. But I know, oh, nothing's perfect, but it's worth it after fighting through my fears. Finally you put me first, baby, it's you. You're the one I love. You're the one I need. You're the only one I see. Come on, baby, it's you. You're the one that gives you all. You're the one I can always call when I need to make everything stop. Finally, you put my love on top. Ooh, come on, baby, put my love on top, 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 top. You put my love on top. Ooh, come on, baby, put my love on top, 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 love on top. Baby, baby, I can feel the wind whipping past my face as we dance the night away. Girl, your lips taste like a night of champagne as I kiss you again and again and again and again. Everybody asks me why I'm smiling out from ear to ear. But I know, whoa, nothing's perfect, but it's worth it after fighting through my fear. Finally you put me first, baby, it's you. You're the one I love. You're the one I need. You're the only one I see. Come on, baby, it's you. You're the one that gives you all. You're the one I can always call when I need to make everything stop. Finally, you put my love on top. Ooh, come on, baby, put my love on top, 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 top. You put my love on top. Ooh, come on, baby, put my love on top, 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 love on top. Baby, it's you. You're the one I love. You're the one I need. You're the only one I see. Come on, baby, it's you. You're the one that gives you all. You're the one I can always call when I need to make everything stop. Finally, you put my love on top. Baby, you're the one that I love. Baby, you're the all I need. You're the only one I see. Baby, it's you. You're the one that gives you all. You're the one I can always call when I need to make everything stop. Finally, you put my love on top. Baby, You're the one that I love. Baby, you're the one I need. You're the only one I see. Come on, baby, it's you. You're the one that gives you all. You're the one I can always call when I need to make everything stop. Finally, you put my love on top, baby. You're the one that I love. Taas. You're the only one I see. Baby, it's you. You're the one that gives you all. You're the one I can always call when I need to make everything stop. Finally, you put my love on top, baby. Oh my god, acidic as frick. Sorry guys. Actually, male key lang yan. So parang dapat kaya kong abutin. Kaso nagdaldal ako ng 3 hours. Oh my god, malapit na mag 9 PM guys. Yes, engineer. There's a hero. If you look inside your heart, you don't have to be afraid of what you are. There's an answer. If you reach into your soul, and the sorrow that you know will melt away. Parang mali yung key dito. So, just let you know. Hey, hey, hey. And then a hero comes along with the strength to carry on, and you've passed it aside, and you know you can survive. When you feel like hope is gone, look inside you and be strong, and you finally see the truth, that a hero lies in you. It's a long road when you face the world alone. No one reaches out a hand for you to hold. If you find love and you search within yourself, and the emptiness you felt will disappear. And then a hero comes along, and you strength to carry on. Then you cast your fears aside, and you know you can survive. And when you feel like hope is gone, you be strong, and you finally see the truth, that a hero lies in you. Lord knows there will be dreams are hard to follow. Don't let anyone. Wait lang ah. Mika, kasi yung ibang comment naka-hide. Automatic. Okay, let me just unhide all the comments, okay? Ang daming naka-hide oh. Sorry. Kasama na. One last song. Okay. Thank you, Mika. take me for what I am, 'cause I'll never change all my colors for you. Take my love, I'll never ask for too much, 'cause all that you are and everything that you do, I don't really need to look very much further. I don't wanna have to go where you don't follow. I will know that back again. This passion inside can run from myself. There's no way to hide. Well, don't make me close one more door. I don't wanna hurt anymore. Stay in my arms if you're there. Must stay, imagine me there. Don't walk away from me. I have nothing, nothing, nothing if I don't have you. Thank you, Glenn. You see through right to the heart of me. You break down my walls with the strength of your love. I never knew love like I've known it with you. Will the memories survive what I can hold on to? I don't really need to look very much further. Thank you for the rose. Oh. Hello, Engineer Prim. Last song before we do Give Back. Guys, kailangan nandito kayo. Okay. Sorry. I heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do ya? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, and the major lift. Baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Welcome. Hallelujah. Your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight overthrew you. She tied you to her kitchen chair, she broke your throat and she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. After this song, give back. Okay, Mika. Maybe the... Huh? Maybe there's a God above, but all I've ever learned from love was how to shoot somebody overdo you. And it's not a cry that you hear at night, it's not someone who's seen the light. It's a cold and it's a broken hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Hallelujah. Oh. Hallelujah. Wait. Ito na. Yeah. Uy, pero ano naman kayo, di ba nag-like po kayo? Paano ulit? Yung thank you, 26 po ang sumali. Huwag na yung mga admins ha. Hindi kayo, ikaw Mika. Yon, dapat andito po kayo ah. Thank you guys so much. Deserve nyo to. No need to thank me. I have to thank you guys for participating. Kasi malit na bagay to. Kumpara dun sa mga nabibigay nyong effort, sa oras nyo. Wait, ayaw ma-paste. Ayan. Ay. I'm gonna pick 2 names, okay? Wait. Pag andito kayo, sabihan nyo ako. Huwag kayong mag-spam ha, para hindi mo filter. First name. Sino yan? Ay, naka-mirror. Trish May! Pag di kayo nakafollow, ha? Trish May! Are you here? Are you here? Say present. Meron ba? Pakipin. Trish May _ A. Ano ba yun? Present. Bakit iba yung... Pa-PM ako dito sa... Ay, hindi pala. Dapat sa IG nyo ko i-PM. Saan si Trish May? Trisha May! Message kayo sa story ko. Yung latest story ko. Mag-reply na lang kayo sa story ko. Nag-cutting? Wala ata siya. Di ba wala? Hirap naman magpag-giveaway. I'm give back. PM nyo ko sa IG, ah. Okay, wala. Remove. Oh, next. O, na-remove ko si Trisha. J. Suba! Uy, Zachary ko naman. May pambilin dami-dami. DM. You need to DM me on IG. Pag hindi nyo ako ma-DM, mag-reply kayo sa latest story ko. Makikita ko yan eh. Kasi yung iba, magkaiba yung ano eh. Magkaiba kasi yung IG nyo, yung ID nyo dito. Tapos magkaiba din yung ID nyo sa IG. So, unless mag-DM po kayo, hindi ko maano. Tapos kung hindi nyo ko ma-DM, kasi minsan na-filter out, mag-reply na lang kayo sa story ko. Wala naman. Ayun. Present. Pa-send po shipping address, contact number, full government ID name. Yan, meron na. Suba, gusto mo lip balm or lip tint? Since ikaw yung unang nanalo. Solar balm or glepepepepe lip tint? Hindi government ID name, hindi nickname. Kasi guys, there was this time na binalik sa akin yung item ko. Tint? Okay. Tint sa'yo. Asan yung tint? Okay, I'm gonna write. Meron nanalo ng premyo dati, tas binalik sa akin kasi hindi daw siya yung magka-claim, tas mali pa yung contact number na bigay sa akin. So, yun yung balak ko. Kung mali man yung contact number, at least same yung pangalan, gets? Eh kung mali din yung contact number, tas nickname lang ang binigay sa akin, kagaya ng Joe, J-H-O, binalik sa akin. Aruna. Andito si Ate Jenny? Nasusuka ako. Hello, Tetsuki. Hello, how are you? Long time no see. J. Ansuba. Kung sinulat ko kasi walang tinta. Wala kang tinta! Walang tinta kang tao! Charot. Do you want me to kiss it? Or ibabalik mo sa akin? Love you. I love you. Gusto niyo autograph ko? Joke lang. Tite. Next! Monami. Ang ganda ng sign. Next winner! Guys, ipa-ship ko na lang in the coming days, ha? Ay, wait, di ko natanggal si ano. Wait lang guys, sorry. Ayan, hindi ko na delete. Aray. Okay. Ito, di ko natanggal. Ayan! Are you guys ready? Hirap. Uy, mag-comment kayo kung ID nyo to, ah. Tadan! Tagal. Paul Grace! 014! Are you here? Kaya ba, Japan? I know, Paul Grace. Pa-DM po ako o kaya mag-message kayo sa recent story ko. If you can't DM me, please DM me. Huwag ka mag-thank you dito. Takbo ka na sa IG. Para magpahinga na ako. Nasidik ako. Oo nga, pahinga nga ako. Kaya nga, nagmamadali nga ako. Thank you pa siya dito. Sukang-suka na ako, be. Ayan! Pag di kayo naka-follow. Very gosh. Yan. Nag-PM siya. Kaya minessage ko. Ha? Gusto niyo po ng autograph ko? Or laway? Paul Grace! Paul Grace. Ay, may anak siya. Hindi ko pwede isulatan ng masama. Mommy, what is that? Is that Korean heart? Anak, no. It's where you came from. Hindi ka. That's your root. That's your root! Tay! Anyong! Ako yung nagpo-pick. Hello! Ayan. Picture tayo. Pa-screenshot, guys. Guys, don't worry. I have many more, okay? I'm so sorry. Pa-story naman ako. Meron din akong mga skincare. Kaya, guys, comment kayo lagi. Kasi, I'm gonna always give back. Okay, this one, I'm gonna have someone ship this tomorrow. Fuck. Okay, meron pa akong maraming BYS products. Ito yung nasoli sa akin. Meron din pa akong mga moisturizers. Noted po. Ayan, nag-send na siya. Uy, wag kayo mag-unsend ng address nyo. Private naman yung ano nyo eh. Personal info nyo dito. Meron tayo ulit. Pagbalik natin. What do you guys want next? Parang lipis talaga yung gusto ng mga tao eh. Hindi ako sanay. Skincare, wala akong yung ano yung BYS products, yung foundation. Guys, mahirap ang foundation. Paano kung hindi nyo shade? Yung magic. Lip tint. You know what, guys? Sa 2.2, magche-check out ako ng mga Korean lip tint. Try ko. Sana hindi mahal. Abangan ko yung 2. Kasi meron akong nabiling lip tint and I like it. There's this lip plumper I used kanina from BYS. That's good also, pero it's kinda expensive sa totoo lang. I can't find it. Yan. I'm gonna buy, okay? Ito yung Romand na ano, yung lip tint, juicy lasting lip tint. Yung ganyan. Siyempre hindi ako bibili ng peke ha, guys ha. Official store lang tayo lagi. Jowa. Ako nga wala eh. Rixtian! Nakakamiss yung Galaxy. Galaxy. Yun na. Mas mahilig kayo sa tint, no? Matagal yan matanggal, Sir Jinho. Ano pong matanggal? Yung lip tint po. Pimple patch? Yeah, actually, sobrang laki ng pimple ko dito ngayon eh. Kanina pa to actually. Astig. Thank you. Lip tint. Usually, pag morena, ano yung mga hilig nyong shade? Mas pink ba? Or red? Or coral? Yung medyo orangey? Ano ba yung pinakabenta? Pag morena ang skin? Pink? Ah, okay. Like what? Hot pink or maraming klaseng pink eh? Hello! Chomar! Yes, morena warm shades. But, diba, there are warm reds, there are warm pinks. Ako kasi cool ako eh. Ang bagay sa akin, mga ganto na color, yung ganyan, no? Yung medyo malamig, yung medyo bluish. Maganda to, no? Do you guys like this? Kaka-order ko lang to eh. Hindi pala kaka-order, last week. Sana maganda to sa akin, ito. Feeling ko parang, pag dumating to guys, itry ko muna, tsaka ko kayo, kasi sa Korea ngayon, sikat yung Romend. Sikat talaga siya, legit. I'm not saying this, hindi naman ako bayad dito or whatever. Sikat siya, even in Korea, among Koreans din. Lasting tint na lang bibilin ko para matagal sa mga bibig nyo. Pero okay lang sa'yo medyo glossy, guys. Kasi nakalagay juicy, oh. Ganyan, oh. Hindi siya yung matte. Di ba kasi mga Pinoy mahilig sa matte? Medyo ganyan. Yes! Okay lang to. Hindi naman siya OA na glossy. FB10 ako, can't continue watching. Got into an Kuya Jomar, why? Are you okay? Okay lang naman daw siya. Wait, pero... Okay. Kuya, take your time, please. Okay. Okay po. Please take rest and pa-share na lang po what happened when you come back, when you're well.
Wait.
Kevin, na-accident daw yung tao.
Huh?
Oh, di ba? Tas nanggagano.
Hindi, sabi ko, Korean.
Ano kayang maganda sa mga... Kuya, acidic ako. Colorgram hindi pa, pero maganda din daw. Thank you, kuya! Wag ka muna mag-cellphone, mag-ano ka muna ganun. Sleep. Para sa 2.2, Kevin, bibili ako. Mag-give back. Peach color. Is this nice, guys? Bagay ba to sa mga morena? Or hindi? Ino mo, di ka naman nakatingin. Hayop ka.
Ay, parang pwede. Kasi parang yung hindi.
Hindi ba?
Parang yung ibang morena.
No,
dark yung ano eh.
Kasi hindi porket morena, magkaiba yung morena sa warm tone tsaka cool tone. Hindi lahat ng morena warm tone.
Pero kung morena ba, pag pink, hindi ba bagay?
Kasi may mga morena na yung bagay yung pink. May mga morena na hindi bagay ang pink eh.
Kasi imagine mo.
Kaya nga, ito ngayon yung gift na sinend. Gumastos sila para insultuin ako. Ito, tignan mo tayo.
Ang cute.
Sa'yo na.
Ang cute. Imagine po. Hindi, sa'yo na to. May imagine po na ako dito. Yung laki-laki.
Si Kevin din, hindi siya warm tone eh. Sa tingin ko, oo. Medyo cool toned ka. Moreno ka, pero hindi ka warm.
Oo, parang.
Wala ka naman alam, parang...
Kasi yung mga brown ganun, di bagay sa...
Ay, shit! Uy. Oo nga daw, hindi naman siya nagme-makeup. Yes naman.
Alam ko lang yung tone ko.
Yes!
Tone.
Tone mo, bingi. Tone deaf ka.
Tone deaf.
I kinda like this nude red-brown shade. Feeling ko this will look good on morena. Hello, Larcy.
From Mama Bay to?
Oo. From Baguio.
Sabi ni.
Nagbagyo daw si mama eh. Tas ang ganda daw ng mga vegetable kasi malamig dyan ngayon eh. Ako din, Kev, pa ako isa?
Isa lang?
Oo,
Yan,
pa carb.
ganyan.
Carb, oo.
Bala lang.
Oo. Yung pipino. Tsaka ito din, parang maganda to sa medyo maputi. Pink cool siya, pero look. No? Maganda. Pag 2.2, sana may sales sila ng 2.2. Kasi guys, sa totoo lang, mahal din yung Easy. Parang okay din yung plum coke. Hindi! Hindi ba kasya to sa'yo, Zachary? Guys, ano mas tumatagal? Yung water tint or gloss tint? Di ba mas tumatagal, nagtatagal ang ano? Water tint. Pareho lang, madali yung matanggal. Kung ayaw nyo yung, kung gusto nyo yung lip tint na hindi natatanggal, magpatattoo ka na lang. Gusto ko pag naligo ako, matatanggal naman. Alam nyo guys, sikat din yung blush sa Romend sa Korea. Nagagalit na yung ano ko, moderator ko. Nangyari. Bakit? Anong spam? Detail Cosme. You know, I'm gonna shop in Korea kasi ang baba ng won ngayon. Mag-restock ako ng mga bagay-bagay. Oh. Pasalubong. Kapal ng mukha mo, meron kang pasalubong. Pasabay. Hindi ko ipapaship dito. Papahawak ko lang kay, ano yun? Ouch. Kay Jerry. Tapos kunin ko na lang pag uwi ko ng Korea. Ang baba ng won ngayon eh. Ano app yan? Shopee. Inantay ko muna yung 2.2. Fuck this acid. Jeez. Ugh. Sino crush kita? May acid ka din. Korean Romand. Afterglow. Is this local, Mika? Detail? Oh. Pero, yung iba mahal din. Ako kasi guys, gusto ko ipamigay yung mga products na ginagamit ko. Para maranasan nyo din na parang, ito yung ginagamit ni Jinho, ganito pala yung pakiramdam. Yung parang ganun ba? Pag kung ano napapanood ko sa content niya, ito rin pala yung ginagamit. Do you get it? Like, I want us to connect. That's why, as much as possible, regardless of the price, yung kung magkano man yung product na ireregalo ko sa inyo, gusto ko yung same tayo. Alangan ipamigay ko sa inyo ang mga gamit na hindi ko din naman ginagamit. Hindi ko pa na-try, di ba? Parang it's not just about giving, pero it's also about like I want us to I want you guys to feel connected with me. Grabe. Mag-end live na ako guys Kasi ano na sakit na ng acid ko. Tas di daw niya love language ang giving. Huy, yun lang yung mabibigay ko sa hindi, giving is my love language talaga. Pero kasi yan lang yung magagawa ko para sa inyo Alangan i-word of affirmation ko kayo lahat. An act of service, lilinisan ko yung bahay nyo, lilinisin ko bahay nyo, isa-isahin ko kayo. Hindi yun lang. Thank you, Paul Grace. Mike. Ali. Bye-bye.